So when you're painting your background, you're going to be using the Tempera Cake palette. It's different than the watercolors. It paints a lot like watercolor, but these are much simpler and they smooth out on your paper easier. So you're going to start with your yellow paint. You just dip your brush in water and then move it around. And we're going to start kind of in the middle of our paper. And blend the yellow all the way up. And you notice on the Tempera palette there is no orange, but we have both colors that make orange. You'll clean off your brush and dip it in the red and move the red. See how an orangish color starts to show up a little bit if you mix the red and the yellow together. And then the top will be red. It's just like watercolor. The more water on your brush, the easier it is to spread out. See how quickly I did that? So that's your sky. And then your ground, you're going to start with blue. If you want to use green, you can. You don't have to use green. If you look at my example, I don't have any green in there. I just went from blue and kind of faded it out into the purple. Yeah, kind of like a rainbow. And I want my water to be more blue than I do purple, so I'm just going to bring this down. You should get in the camera paintbrush. So that's it. When your paper's finished, it should look something like this. If you can see it, it's split into two sections. The top part is warm colors, the bottom part is cool colors. This is going to be your skyline, and this is going to be your water line. So when we draw our silhouettes of our cityscape, we will be putting that on, and it will separate the sky from the water.